we just got to watch a rocket launch, but I'm not sure what happened. It came up and then a plume of smoke happened, and then there's two little dots there. It was the rocket boosters? Okay. But anyways, yep. Right from our front yard, guys. Watching the rocket ships and the SpaceX and all that stuff. Well, that's the plume of smoke that it made. Finally, we've been waiting for this rocket to go up for a while now, for weeks, right?
I don't know.
Oh, you haven't been watching the news? Where's your brother and sister?
I called them in.
Okay. Street lights are on. It's time for them to come in. So this is their attempt to land the rocket boosters on the barge in the middle of the ocean. So that's interesting.
Will it work though?
We'll see if it'll work.
Did it work also? Did it like blow up in the ocean?
We'll see if it works.
Did it blow up in the ocean or something?
No, if it doesn't, no. Last time it didn't make it on the thing and it blew up. Yes. Okay, so we came to a little shop here. It's called Small Cakes. Pretty sure we can. It's in our community. It's on Avalon Lake Drive. And this is downtown Avalon.
Yay!
And this place just opened up maybe a week ago. It's a soft opening. We're gonna check it out and see how it is.
What the, yeah, for, you know,
Could have had Briantos for dinner. It smells like cake. Those waffle cones look good. With the ice cream.
Am I allowed to have them?
No.
No?
We have to eat dinner first. We're taking it to go.
I know, but am I allowed to have it? Like,
Do they have a taste? What kind of?
Which one do you want to taste?
They're not labeled.
Yeah, we have birthday cake, carrot cake, coconut, salted caramel, and
I want to
Can I try birthday cake?
Birthday cake.
you want to try that one too?
What do you say?
You want that one too?
Yeah.
Yes. What?
Thank you.
Please.
Please. Thank you.
There you go.
That's the caramel crunch. That's the caramel
What's
crunch.
that one's coconut? Coconut? Can I try that one?
Oh, I like this one.
Do you like it? It's good.
Doesn't matter, you get whatever you want. That's homemade ice cream.
You're gonna like it.
What is it?
You have to get your own because I'm having it. Coconut.
What?
Coconut. Oh, babe.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I try it? Can I try it? Yes, please.
That's really good.
Oh my god.
Dangerous. You want the peanut butter?
Yeah.
Look, they have hot fudge sundae. How cute
know.
is that?
Oh my gosh.
That's so cute.
All the cinnamon rolls are
Isn't it good? It's really good. Did you like birthday cake? Which one did you want?
Now we're gonna get a bunch of cakes. A
Mom,
bunch of cupcakes.
How much is a half a dozen?
Mom, I want to try one of these. Mom, 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 I want one of these,
A
Mom.
dozen's too much. Do you
Just-
think a dozen's too much? I don't know. It's 5 of us.
6 of them.
So that's 2 cupcakes each.
Mom,
One
Mom,
for today, one for tomorrow.
Mommy,
No,
Yes.
I want
it's
this
six.
one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna pick some cupcakes. Okay, so now we're at a family favorite. This is our favorite pizzeria. Well, actually, we don't have very many options, so they're in there picking up pizza.
Let's do the,
And on Mondays and Tuesdays, a large pie is $8 plus tax. this is Avalon Park Boulevard. One of our favorite places to be. And if you have a decent pizza place in Orlando and you live in Orlando, please let us know. Because I could really use a better pizzeria than this.
I like
Hi,
it.
babes. Hi, babes. Ooh, it's
Here.
cold. How long did they say?
So about another minute or two for the pizza.
I don't like it too, like, I don't like it underdone.
Oh, don't rush it.
I'm not rushing it.
You're rushing it.
I just don't like it underdone. I like a little crispy.
We'll get it done in the oven.
How are your eyeballs?
They're fine. A little red today. I didn't have a chance to put my drops because I've been out all day, so I didn't have my drops with me.
I got out of work late today.
Me too.
And then he calls me. You know what? From now on, let me call you. Okay?
I ain't calling you no more.
I'm so busy.
Not my fault.
I work at a tax accounting prep place. Like, I work in an accounting firm. It's busy.
Look.
Don't call me until after
Okay, this is
I ain't calling you.
you drop something. Until after April 18th.
I ain't calling
Did
you.
you know that people can file taxes until the 18th this year?
Ellie, did you
This is a conspiracy.
Oh, so you.
I'm screwed
Busy
until the
till
18th.
Oh, God.
Ah. But here are cakes. Look how cute they look. Yum.
Oh, this is a new
Red velvet, chocolate
Yeah.
cream. This one is sundae, carrot cake, red velvet, sundae, birthday cake. I want to try all of these. But you know what? We're gonna share, okay? Sundae, birthday cake, peanut butter, and the chocolate cream something of another. A little expensive, $3.75 a cupcake. It's a little pricey. And
Call it that. We should call it that.
cupcakes, pizza, and wine. That's all I need tonight.
Wow, that'd be a cool
Cupcakes, pizza, and wine. We'll call it
cupcake, pizza, and wine.
cupcakes, pizza, and wine. Cupcakes, pizza, CPW. Cupcakes, pizza, and wine.
Don't take our ideas. This has been patented.
Okay, here's Din Din's pizza, rolls, garlic nuts, and cupcakes over here.
Mommy, can I have another napkin, please?
Yes, you may.
Yeah, thanks.
And we all are fortune.
Wheel of Fortune, because that's a family tradition. Wheel of Fortune for my grandpa.
Why?
Because my grandpa used to watch it.
How much?
Every day. Right, babe? It's good stuff. Look how yummy. All that garlic in there.
You're making everybody hungry.
It's delicious. What did you do? You made a mess? Jeez Louise, child. Good, baby?
Yes, I'm a child.
Good? Good. Everyone happy?
It's hot.
Yum. Okay, so now we're here with the Sweet Cakes Cupcake taste testing panel. We have Alizea who will be taste testing what?
the peanut butter cup.
And this is what it looks like.
Wait, what's mine called?
Yours is called
Mine's called
Mine was
chocolate.
It was the
Chocolate
chocolate.
something.
It was like the filled one. I forgot.
Yeah.
Like
Chocolate,
cream filled or something.
chocolate cream.
yes, and Layla has.
The
Sunday.
the hot fudge sundae.
All right, Alizea, you first.
I already
Icing.
tried
Oh,
mine.
should I just do the whole thing of the icing first, or like?
No, take a bite.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
Does it taste like peanut butter?
A lot,
Yeah.
especially the icing.
Okay, Jason, your turn. Take some of the paper off so you can take a bite of the cake.
It tastes like the.
Mine has peanuts on it.
It tastes like the Twinkies.
Like a Twinkie?
Yeah.
And Layla, go for it.
Giant Twinkies. I like it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it better than sweets?
Oh no, no, no.
I like it. It's good.
It's good. I
Okay,
like
so
it.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your cupcake?
8, 9.
Can we do a 5? Like out of 5?
Yeah.
No, 1. Okay, out of 5.
Out of 5. Okay. I give this a 4 or 4.5.
I give it a 4.
Very good.
If it was up to 10, I'll pick a 9. But since it's under 5, I would pick 4.
A 4? So we have a 4, 4.5, a 4, and Layla, what was yours?
4.
A 4. So 4 out of 5.
Good.
Good.
Okay, now we have. I want the cherry.
Sorry.
Oopsie.
Jeez. What flavor is that one?
This is the same.
is the same one that
The
Linda had.
hot fudge sundae,
The
right?
hot fudge. Yes.
Oh,
Is
you're
there
using a
fudge in the
fork.
middle?
I use my bare
See.
hands like a person.
There's no fudge in the middle. There's not much fudge.
How does it taste? Is it moist? Is it dry? Is it dense?
No, it's really moist. It's good. It's really good.
Dad, explain the taste using like.
Does it taste
good.
like
a
chocolate?
sound.
Does it taste
Yes.
like real chocolate or does it taste like fake chocolate?
Probably fake.
Yeah. It tastes like
Does it taste like Duncan Hines?
a little bit,
Oh.
but it's really moist.
Are you gonna share?
And it's good. No.
Wow.
Why not?
How do
Natural.
No, how do you eat all that icing? I can't.
I
I can't even look
Girls,
at
go take the stuff out of the bags, please. No, just went grocery shopping. So. Oh, you are gonna share. Mm.
Wow, look at all those cupcakes.
I had one already.
It's light. It's not heavy.
It's not heavy. It's good.
Yes, it tastes a little bit like Duncan Hines. But if I don't have to cook them, I don't care. On a scale of 1 to 10? Oh no, 1 to 5. Sorry, we did 1 to 5 with the kids.
1 to 5.
5 being the best, 3 being in the middle, 1 being no.
I think I gave it a 3.
I found that
Sausage.
right there. Right there.
It's kielbasa sausage.
I give it a 3.
A 3. It's in the middle. You like sweet cupcakes better. You ate the whole thing for it being a 3.
3.5.
3.5.
Then a 4. Then a 5. Then a 7.
You ate all yours?
Then a 20.
No.
No, you didn't.
Mom,
I can't even look at it now.
Yeah.
that I remember we had to buy Twinkie now. I feel like I want
Now you want Twinkies? Jason said his tastes like a Twinkie.
I don't like Twinkies.